one time. I heard about when he allowed you to cross over the Red Sea on dry land. I heard about the fact that he just straight Jack Pharaoh. I heard about all that he's done, and we realize that your God is the real God. And guess what? We scared of y'all. So we know y'all coming, and all of us here are scared of the day when y'all come. We know y'all gotta kill us. So listen. We believe, my family believe in your whole God. So listen, since I saved your life, promise me you gonna save my life, my mama life, my daddy life, my brother's life, my sister, everybody in the house life. And so they were saying, okay, cool in the game. We gonna save, since you saved us, we gonna save y'all. But what you gotta understand is this.